Hello everyone, this is Amit Arya working in ECB College, Bikaner. Today I will discuss about Greeback normal form that is GNF. The productions in the GNF have two forms. First is if A gives B directly or A gives B C1 C2 up to Cn, that is starting symbol must be subterm or it may contain non-terminals afterward. If the productions are such form, then the grammar is said to be in GNF. Step number 1, remove unit and null production for convert it into Chomsky normal form. For the step number 1 and step number 2, you can watch the previous lectures. In step number 3, we change the name of non-terminal symbols in symbol AI in the ascending order of what does it mean. Here I have taken a grammar. Gives CA BB, B gives B SP, C gives B, A gives A. So we will start with S, name it to be A1. This is the first symbol, non-terminal. From C we move to C, we move to S, C is A2, then A is A3, then B is A4. B is already covered here, S is already covered here, B is already covered here, C is already covered here, A is already covered here. So there are four non-terminals. So replacing these values, we have grammar which looks like something like this. A1 gives A2 A3 or A4 A4. A4 gives B, A1 A4, A2 gives B, A3 gives A. Step number 4. If production is of the form AI gives AJ, then I must be less than J. I must be less than J. That is the value. Here we can see A in the first production. Here is 1, here is 2. So I here is 1, J here is 2. So I is less than J, the condition meet. It's okay. Here I is 1, J is 4, I is less than J, 1 is less than 4, it's okay. So it's valid production. Next, A4 gives B, which is again of the proper form of GNF. A4 gives A1 A4. So I here is 4, J here is 1. So 4 is less than 1, which is not true, which is false. So this is not a valid production. So we will reduce this. A4 gives B or A1 A4 in the proper form. We replace A1 with the productions that the A1 gives. So we get A1 gives B and we replace A1 with A2 A3. A2 A3, A4 comes here, A4 A4, A4 A4 and A4. Here in the next step, A4 gives B and 4 is 4 here, I is 4, J is 2, so I is 4 is less than 2 is false. So this is again not valid. We replace A2 with B. We got B A3 A4, which is a valid production in GNF. Next comes to be A4 A4 A4. A4 here I j is also 4. So This is the case of left recursion. We remove, fifth step is we remove the left recursion. How to remove the left recursion? We introduce a new variable j, and this is the problematic variable, this a4. The non-terminals afterward we write with this new variable and also without the new variable. So this is a4 a4 z and a4 a4. Once with the new variable, and in the other case without new variable. And a4 will become, we write b a3 a4 as such, and again bz, this is bz and a3 a4 z, and this is removed. This is simply removed. So left recursion is removed, and you can see also a4 starting symbol here is non-terminal, 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 non-terminal. a4 is in the proper form. So new grammar will become a1 gives a2 a3 a4, a4 gives this production, z gives a4 a4 z, a4 a4 a2 b, a3 gives a. So this is the new grammar. Now we will see about the first. This a1 gives a2 a3, which is not in the proper form. So a2 a3, what is a2? We replace a2 with what the a2 gives. a2 gives b, so it will become b a3, and same is the case with a4. We replace the value of a4 here and attach a4 along with it. So b a4, b a3 a4, a4 bz a4, b a3 a4 z a4. This is the a1. a4 will remain as such. This a1 is in proper form, a4 is in proper form, and next z is a4 a4 z, which is again not in the proper form. We will replace the value of a4 from here. We get b a4, b a3 a4 a4, b z a4, b a3 a4 z a4. This is the first part. And second, a4 a4, we replace first a4 with its value, that is b a3 a4 bz, b a3 a4 z, and we get these productions. And a2 gives b and a3 give a. So this is the final grammar that we get, which is in the Gripek normal form, that is context free grammar. We have converted it into Gripek normal form. Thank you very much.